Hello and welcome. You have reached me in my video series, 21 videos. And this particular series is called 21 Things I Wish I Knew Before I Became a Middle-Aged Man. We're on episode number 5, and the title of this episode is that your career is a marathon, not a sprint. And I guess this is kind of old guy wisdom stuff, we just run and run and run, particularly when we're young, because we're told you got to run, you got to work, you got to grind, you got to, work 80 hours a week. You got to put in the effort. And there is some value in that. There is some value in hard work. But what I've come to discover over time is that smart work is way better than hard work. And you'll have to run fast occasionally, but the most important thing I think is to keep moving forward, is consistency, is momentum. And really, it's a cliche, but the only way to fail is to just stop trying. So when you get the shit beat out of you, you just got to get up, dust yourself off, and start moving forward again. That's it. You can miss a day, you can be sick. It's like going to the gym. It's like you can't get in shape by working out for 9 hours, but you can get in shape by working out every day for like 20 minutes, right? So and when you sprint, you get tired. If I worked a 10-hour day right now, I'd be useless for a couple of days. So you might be tempted to sprint to get a raise or a promotion or something like that. I would highly recommend that you don't do that. I think the person who shows up every day and moves the ball forward is the person that becomes the overnight success, right? And I can't tell you how many successful people that I've spoken to that describe their success kind of like this. And that is, I just kept going and everyone else gave up. It really is that simple. So, give yourself a break when you're feeling guilty about not working as hard as you can, and maybe step back and spend an hour thinking about how you might be able to work smarter. Because I think you can get a lot of stuff done in a lot less time than you're probably doing it right now. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. I hope that maybe helps you shift a little bit in the way you're thinking about the grind and working hard. So those things are they're just misleading. They're just misleading. So reflect on that. Hopefully it helps, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow for episode number 6. Have a great day.